So turn in your book to page 41 and let's start looking at the exercises. Now for this chapter, I'm going to walk you through most of the exercises and then we're going to see how you can do on the problems on your own. Of course, allowing questions to be asked and whatnot. But just to kind of get you started, and because accounting is a new language for most of you, I want to take some time making sure you feel comfortable with these first exercises in Chapter 2. All right, so we're looking at exercise 2.1, and we are determining the accounting equation amounts. So just before Walker Laboratories opened for business, James Walker, the owner, had the following assets and liabilities. Determine the totals that would appear in the firm's fundamental accounting equation. Assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. So we're going to look at the list of accounts that are showing there, and we're going to add together any that are the same, and we'll see if we can come up with an answer here. So looking at the first one, cash. You read in the chapter that cash is an asset. So we would have 41, whoops, let's see, get my pen going here. Oh, I don't know if I should write in red. I'll write in blue. Okay, so 41,500 is cash. Next is lab equipment. Equipment that you need to run your business is an asset. So lab equipment is 76,600. Next on the list is lab supplies, also considered an asset. Lab supplies would be beakers and, well, I don't know what kind of business it is. Can't remember. If it was a scientific lab, beakers and chemicals and stuff like that. Okay, so 7,800. Next on the list is loan payable. The word payable is your clue there. Payable means it's a loan and a liability. It's money that you owe, so that's a liability. So we have 16,100. And the last one they've given you is accounts payable. Again, the word payable, those are bills that we need to pay for our business, for our company. So 10,125. Okay, so on the that's it for the list. We were not given any owner's equity, but we are still going to be able to compute the owner's equity. So first we need to run through and add together these numbers, and we're going to get 125,900 for assets. For liabilities, we're going to get 26,225. All right, so to calculate the owner's equity, we know that liabilities plus owner's equity equals our assets. So we can figure out what our owner's equity is going to be. It's going to be the difference between assets and liabilities in this case. So we would take, and we'll just do this in parentheses. We're going to take 125,900 minus 26,225, and our owner's equity then would be 99,000. Oops. 99,675. All right, that finishes exercise 2.1.